Someone just asked me to review a rental arbitrage coaching program that costs $40,000. And honestly, I'm so fed up with what's happening in this space that I had to make this video. These so-called gurus are selling people a dream that's either completely misleading or flat out impossible, and they're charging astronomical amounts to do it. So today, I'm gonna break down exactly why Airbnb arbitrage is a fundamentally flawed business model, expose the lies that these gurus are telling you, and show you why some of these coaching programs aren't just overpriced,
they're downright predatory.
And if you stick around until the end, I'll share what I think are much better alternatives that actually make financial sense and don't require you to risk your life savings. Let's start with the biggest problem. The math just doesn't work the way they're telling you that it does. Here's what they don't tell you about rental arbitrage. To launch just one property, you're looking at around $10,000 upfront, and that's being conservative. You've got first month's rent, last month's rent, security deposit, and then you need to furnish the entire place. 10 grand minimum before you've made a single dollar. Now, here's where the math gets really ugly. Let's say you find a great property and you're able to rent it for $2,000 a month. After you pay the landlord, the utilities, the internet, the insurance, the maintenance, and the cleaning, you might, and I'm being generous here, clear $1,000 in profit per month. Maybe. That would actually be really good. So you've invested $10,000 to make $1,000 a month. That means it takes you 10 months just to break even. 10 months of work just to get back to zero. But wait, it gets worse. Because now you want to scale your business, right? That's the whole point. Well, you've got two options. Option one, you can operate that first property for 20 months, reinvest all your profits, and then launch property number two. That means you've been working for almost 2 years without paying yourself a single dollar, and all you have to show for it is some used furniture if things don't work out. Option two, you invest $20,000 up front to launch two properties right away. Double the risk, double the capital requirements. And here's the kicker. Unlike buying properties where you actually own something that retains value, with arbitrage, you have zero equity. If your landlord kicks you out, you're screwed. If the city changes its regulations, you're screwed. If the property doesn't perform well, you just lose everything. I once had someone in our community tell me about their arbitrage experience. They spent $12,000 launching a property. 3 months later, the landlord decided they didn't want short-term rentals anymore and gave them 30 days notice. $12,000 gone just like that. Compare that to co-hosting, where you manage properties for a percentage of revenue with zero capital requirements, or investing, where you actually own an asset that builds equity over time. Arbitrage combines quite literally the worst of both worlds. High financial risk with no ownership benefits. But here's what really gets my blood boiling. The way these gurus are marketing this stuff. They'll show you screenshots of their best performing property and say, look, I made $8,000 last month. What they won't tell you is that they spent $15,000 to set up that property. They've been operating it for 2 years, and last month was their best month ever because of a local festival. They also fail to mention that the $8,000 is revenue, not profit. And they've got huge expenses like rent and cleaning fees. They'll say things like, you can start with no money down, and then neglect to tell you that you do that by borrowing money on credit cards and putting yourself into massive debt. The reality is you need significant capital to make this work, period. And they're doing this because they can make way more money by selling you the dream than by being honest about what this business actually looks like. It's way easier to sell someone on make $10,000 a month with Airbnb arbitrage than it is to say invest $10,000, work for free for 10 months, then maybe make $1,000 a month if everything goes perfectly. Now look, I want to be crystal clear that I'm not saying arbitrage doesn't work at all. It absolutely can work, just not the way that a lot of these gurus are portraying it. In my opinion, co-hosting is a far better model for anyone who wants to build a business, and investing is a far better model for those looking to build long-term wealth. But all that aside, there are some people out there who are actually honest and transparent about rental arbitrage. They'll tell you about the capital requirements, the risk, and the actual timelines. Those people are worth following and often have great advice, but they're few and far in between. Here's how to spot the frauds. If their content is all about making bank and flexing expensive cars and never has any real substance or honest discussions about the challenges, they're probably a fraud. Look at how long they've actually been doing this business versus how long they've been hyping it for. But the absolute worst part of this whole situation, the prices some of these people are charging for their programs. And listen, I believe in paying for education. I've invested tens of thousands in my own education over the years. Knowledge and experience are valuable and people deserve to be compensated for their expertise, but there's a limit to what's reasonable. When I created my co-hosting program, I priced it at $2,000 because I would never recommend that a friend starting a business spend more than that on coaching. It'll set them back too far and the risk is too high when you're just getting started. For my investing program, I charge $5,800, and that's because the expertise is more specialized. The risks you're mitigating are much higher, and frankly, people who are buying properties typically have more capital to invest in education that could save them from making $50,000 mistakes. But at a certain point, this stuff becomes pretty predatory in my opinion. When you're selling people on a dream and then charging them an astronomical amount that isn't rational or justifiable, you're not serving your students, you're serving yourself. And here's the worst part. The people charging the most usually provide the least value. They have the least expertise, provide the least support, and are the most manipulative in their marketing. I recently had someone come to me asking my opinion on a rental arbitrage program. The price, $30,000 or $40,000 if you want the payment plan for rental arbitrage coaching. I'm sorry, but this is insane. Think about it this way. Most new businesses won't earn $40,000 in profit in their first year. I just showed you how hard it is to actually reach profitability with rental arbitrage. So now you're asking people to pay more for the coaching than what they'll make the first 1 or 2 years. It's going to take them several years just to recoup that additional startup cost. That makes no sense. That person does not have your best interest at heart. So what should you do instead? If you're interested in getting into short-term rentals, here are 3 alternatives that actually do make sense. First, consider co-hosting. You can start with zero capital, learn the business while getting paid, and build relationships with property owners who might eventually want to sell to you. It's how I got started, and it's still one of the smartest ways to enter this space. Second, if you have capital to invest, consider actually buying properties. Yes, it requires more money up front, but you're building equity, you have control over the asset, and the long-term wealth building potential is massive. Third, if you really want to learn about rental arbitrage specifically, find someone who's been doing it successful for years, charges reasonable prices for their education, and is completely transparent about the challenges and risks that are involved. I've got links in the description down below for my trainings on co-hosting and investing. Check them out, and if you decide you want to work with me, great. If not, you've got access to over 500 videos completely for free right here on my YouTube channel. If you want to work more closely with me, but you aren't ready to jump in all the way, we've also got B&B Tribe, which costs just $49 a month. Inside B&B Tribe, we have members who are succeeding with all of these strategies. Take Andrew from New Zealand. He launched his first property with 80% occupancy right from the very get-go by focusing on the fundamentals, not get-rich-quick schemes. Or Sarah, who went from guest favorite to top 10% of listings on Airbnb by implementing systems that actually work. The link to join B&B Tribe is in the description down below for just $49 a month. Which, by the way, is about half of what these other programs charge per day when you do the math. Look, I'm not trying to bash everyone who teaches rental arbitrage. Like I said, there are legitimate educators out there doing great work. If you're considering getting into rental arbitrage, please do your homework. Look at the real numbers, understand the real risks, and for the love of all that's holy, don't spend more on education than your business is gonna make in the first year. And if you've been burned by one of these overpriced programs, drop a comment down below. Your story might save someone else from making the same mistake.
Hi, I'm Andrea. I'm here to do just a little short thank you video to James, because without him, I don't even know. Just a little bit about myself is that I was a host on Airbnb for 5 or 6 years at a home that I did not own, and built it from the ground up and was very successful for 5 or 6 years, turned it into an amazing income generating property. Well, the owner decided to sell it. And so the buyers did not want to list it on Airbnb. And then I was out of a job. So during that time, I realized how much I loved hosting. And I don't know, maybe my love language is like service to others. So I loved hospitality. I loved thinking about things that the guests would want or need or be helpful to them, and really honed in on my experience in hospitality and kind of, just really just gave of that in every reservation, all about accommodation and making sure they had a nice stay. So how could I do that again? I wasn't sure. And I definitely didn't want to feel like I would, like my whole business, how I was feeding my family was through this. Like, what else could I do? So I had joined other programs in this period of time after the house was sold and really felt disappointed. I felt I gave them too much money, a lot of money, to get like just excruciatingly long videos to get through and no follow-up, no, how do you implement this? I kind of felt like the people who were really sexy selling me these programs were non-existent in the actual program. I never met any of them, never spoken to any of them, even to this day. Well, with James's program, it was very different. First of all, I didn't even want to join it. I was so skeptical. I just joined the membership, which was fine. It offered me a lot. It offered me so much. I couldn't believe that that was all it was every month. And I was getting so much for free. And the way that he was interacting with others, giving advice, suggestions, even celebrating their successes, he was present all the while. He would follow with follow-up questions. It wasn't a team or AI that he was hiring to look at his messages. It was him. And I think the thing that got me into the program after being in the membership was not just the tools and the templates that I desperately needed to continue and make this a viable business, which I was amazed at how almost little he was charging for it when I was charged so much more and got so much less. It was something that he said, and I can't quite articulate it the way he did, but the way that it felt and the way that it landed and resonated with me was, that's the reason, because it's so clean from someone who had gotten taken advantage of and kind of got, a little had from these other programs. He described it so articulately. And he was like, you're helping someone who's struggling. And because of the things that you know how to do, you can offer that help to them very easily. And in exchange, that's your job. And then it's clean. There's nothing slimy about it. There's nothing underhanded. There's nothing like a snake oil type of feeling. It's just very clean. And when he said that to me, when I heard that part, it was like, oh yeah, this is my calling. This is what I can do. I can do this. And it gave me confidence. It gave me this kind of inner sense of purpose, honestly. And what has led me to this video, because I'm still in the program, I'm not even finished yet. My goal was to get 10 places in a year. That was my kind of baseline goal. I've been in the program for 2 months. I have 3 listings already, and I'm doing pretty well. And I actually, the one listing that I got was a callback from the new buyers. They sought me out and asked me if I would list the home again. And that was an amazing opportunity. And if James hadn't gotten me to the point where I was ready for that call, I wouldn't be able to take it, right? I would be unprepared and they probably would not have me. But but I was ready for the call, and I feel like I got all the tools that I need. I'm still getting the tools that I need, but mostly it is because of his guidance, his coaching. I have never had a coach so invested in my success, like genuinely invested in my success. Yeah. I am so grateful. I'm so grateful that I found him and this program, and the timing of it all was just divine. So, and a little bit serendipitous. So I have nothing but deep gratitude for James and all of the time and efforts that he's put investing in me. I appreciate that. And I hope that we'll be friends for years to come. So thank you so much.
If this video helped you see through some of the BS in this space, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss content that cuts through the noise and gives you the real information that you need to succeed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.